This is the demonstration of auto swing door used in offices and house. The weight of the door can be 200 kilo. The width of the door can be 5 feet and the height can be 10 feet, not a problem. Only the weight of the door is matters. It can be operated by a 3 different way. We can put a motion sensor at the top and can use like auto glass insert door. When you come near the door will open automatically. Or you can use a remote control. With the remote control, when you press the open button, you will see the door will open automatically. The door is opening automatically. Also, there is a hand switch for convenience. When you go near to the door, you can touch this hand switch or the access control system to open the door. There is a EM lock also for the security reason, for auto locking the door through the automatic door closer. You can see. And now I will show you the inside view of the office. This is the inside view from where it can be operated. There is a hand switch in the inside view also, and it can also be operated by a video door phone or any type of access control system or remote control. This is very much useful product for a office used and also in houses. Thank you very much.